Whiskey took my years, drowned my soul in tears. Bottles chains held me through the lonesome years. Lost my love, my home in that drunken haze. Now I'm wandering blind through my wasted days. Oh, whiskey's ghost haunts my broken heart. Stole my life away, tore my world apart. Nights I drank till dawn, chasing shadows down. Demons in my glass wore my spirit's crown. Friends all turned away, left me cold and low. Regret's my only friend where the cold winds blow. Heart stole my life away, tore my world apart. Lord, forgive my sins, wash this stain away. Drunk man's life I live, led my soul astray. Oh, whiskey's ghost haunts my broken heart. Stole my life away, tore my world apart. This lonesome song till my days are done. Whiskey's ghost still calls, but I'm on the run.